thanks for tuning in. God dang, it's freaking hot here in Minnesota. It goes from 40 to 85. There's no freaking getting used to the heat. I'm sweating like a fat pig. I am pretty much out of shape. I think I've gained a good 10 pounds of baby weight. We got 10 days the baby comes. Very excited. You guys can't tell. We got the blower video, head-to-head action here, guys. Now, a lot of people didn't even know that the Gen 2 model is even out yet. This is the Gen 1 model, right, guys? It is 410 C.F.Ms. Excuse me, it has 410 C.F.M. It's pretty light. I want to say it's right about 5 pounds. Because the new one is also 5 pounds. Should we weigh him up? See how much she weighs bare tool. We're looking at 4 pounds, 14 ounces bare tool. Alright? You guys see that okay? New version 2. On paper it says it's 5.4 pounds. Let's see if they're right. 3 pounds, 14 ounces. So it's lighter than what it says on the box. That's funny. Old one, 410 C.F.M. The new one, 500 C.F.M. As you can see, in the old blower, it just has a standard lock switch. You can kind of throttle it a little bit from low to high. It's all the way on. And then the trigger stays depressed. Right? The new one, the lock is on the top. So we have, you can run it with the handle. Lock it on low, high, and turbo is all the way down here. That's turbo. That's hilarious. New one, slightly a little different design. You kind of have it more encased here because this one sticks out more. They're just trying to make it a little more compact. Both the batteries going back. Pretty standard with blowers. Let's see if this one will blow across the bench. Not too much. New one. Keyholes on the bottom. Hang it up. This is nice because it does have this little latch. You can wiggle and slide it off if you need to store it somewhere compact. Old model. Twists off like that. It's been a good little blower, guys. I've had this one for a while. Actually, I picked this up on clearance when they were getting rid of them and filling up inventory with the new model. So I got 2 of these. Each of them were $22. So I spent $40. I got 2 blowers. And then I sold the other one for a couple dollars. And I have this one. You can get this bare tool for $88, or you can get the kit, the 4 amp hour and a charger for $130. That's what I got was a kit. 40 minutes on low with this one, with the 4 amp hour battery. And this one I think it said 55 minutes on low. On high with turbo, it says 10 minutes. But I got a little over 12 minutes. I think it was like 12 minutes and 46 seconds with a 6.0 on turbo mode. So that's a full throttle, 500 CFMs, non-stop, just under 13 minutes, which isn't too bad. But if you're just putting around the yard, stopping and starting, stopping and starting, I used it for all day essentially, and I only dropped down 2 bars on the 6. Yeah, guys, I really like this one. Let's go to a couple clips here. Now, I do a As you can see, the old model isn't able to blow the grass clippings nearly as high as the new one. The new one has much more power than this one. This is rated at 410 CFM, the new one's 500. Way better. Leaf blower Gen 1, model KHB 4124B-3. Fully charged up, 6.0. Right here. You can barely move that wet grass. I'll try to make this quick. I just got this 3D printed directional nozzle. So you saw the Gen 1. This is the Gen 2, fully charged up, 6 amp hour battery. I'll also show you the workshop blower. Here we go. So this is just more dead grass, guys. This is standard. Wow, that actually helps a lot. There's a turbo. This tip definitely makes it louder. Now listen. Tip. Hear that whistle? Now listen. Should just come right off. Without tip. Tip. I don't know if it does anything. Let's try it this way. Yeah, the verdict's not in yet on this tip. But I'll tell you what though, this thing is way better than the Gen 1. You guys saw that? Alright, let's check out the little shop blower, which is around 310 C.F.M, but it's 180 miles an hour. It doesn't do much, guys. Don't expect much out of this. I do like how this one, it does have 3 speeds. I might be loud. Low, medium, and high. But it's brushless. With the speed settings, it's very similar to the Ryobi, the Milwaukee, the Makita, the DeWalt. All of them have a little shop blower. But I like this one because of the settings, the lock trigger, and the nozzle to blow up the kids' inflatable pools. Like I said, it's good for clean out the shop, sawdust and whatnot. Don't expect to be moving large volumes of leaves with this little guy. There's a lot of rocks in this here, that's why it's not moving. No tip. I think it's better without the tip. Now with the tip.
That's what she said.
There you go. Hope that answers all your questions, guys. Gen 2, I like it. There you go, guys. That's what I got for you of the Kobalt 24-volt blowers. We got the Gen 1, we got the shop blower, and we got the Gen 2. Now, they're all good blowers. Is the Gen 1 a bad blower? No. It's just a little underpowered compared to the new one. Everybody wants more power when it comes to blowing leaves and grass, debris, and whatnot. As you can see, this one moves some freaking leaves. And as for this tip, this directional tip, I'll put a link down below. The guy sells these on eBay. I'm not sure if it helps it or not. I think it's better for leaves and it gives you a broader cone of air. So move, no baby, blow more leaves. Alright guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Much love, thank you so much. Stick around, got lots of good videos coming. We got the hammer drill video coming out, we got all kinds of stuff, guys. I can make freaking videos for the next year and not run out of tools. Seriously, it's just time. And do I feel like making them? Depends on my mood and the weather. The weather's a big factor. Yeah.